So Wagwan, that's Neil, my childhood buddy. Dude, this is like just a few nights before Diwali, and it's the vibes are in the air, man. The vibes are certainly in the air. Fifth, so second. It probably gives more vibration at here, no? I hope this footage is good with less breeze in the background. Damn man, that previous vlog's footage was trash just because of the breeze. Biggest fucking reason. Should I? No. Some other time, when I'm feeling a little bit more childish. This is what it's all about, man. Just chilling at night. Yeah. Vibes are in there, bro. All of my brothers, this one's for you, man. This is what we are missing out on. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you very soon. Feature on my vlog fast. Yeah, see, even Neelu's come, bro. Neelu! Hey, bro! Welcome to the channel! This is what I brought this bike for, man. This is exactly it. See, if you want to, and you just want to do this, chill nicely on the highway, damn bro, this bike is for you. 4th gear, 50, can still butter smooth, bro. Butter smooth. Whoop, butter smooth. Kinda. Not that bad. I had to put an aftermarket cruise control, bro, on this. The cruise control, no? Handle locking. Seriously, bro, the roads are bad, yeah. Very bad, yeah. The roads are very bad. Who is listening to us? Poor guys here, paying so much fucking road tax. क्या है? What the hell? What is this? What the fuck is this, bro? Patchwork. Dude, how much money you will have? मी बघितले का गोरेगावचे फेमस पेंटिंग. हे बघ आमचा कॉम्पिटिटर्स टच नाही करू शकत. बिग टाइम. This is one down all up, no? One down, 4 up. Oh! Tell you go, I'll come. Neelu. Very comfortable, bro. First time riding an RE on the highway properly. Neelu going to have a good time on that bike. And I'm having a good time on this bike. Not a big fan of the vibrations though. Yeah. One gear up. What am I on the 5th gear now? This is also a vibe, man. This is also a vibe. Lot of vibrations, bro. This is a vibe with a lot of vibrations, bro. Yo, this top gear is good. Bro, at 60 on the 6th gear, there's so much vibrations on the bars. But the engine has power. It has power to go. It has vibrations, but it has power to go. But too much vibrations. Look how my baby looks, man. Lovely. Braking, I am not very confident. Not on this one. Oh. Very scary. I'm very not used to this. I'm not used to this sitting position. And I'm not used to the gear lever. And the braking feedback. Bus. Not very agile feeling. Like I got to think into the turn and then go into the turn. That one is like, you want to go into this turn? Yes, baby. Going into this turn. Come on. Let's go. That bike bumps are very unsettling. But this one, it feels like, yeah, bro. Yeah, bump. It is there. It is there. It is not there. It's good. It's good. Has like weird kind of pull dude on this bike. Every gear has a little bit of oomph. But then after that oomph goes just vibrations. Hey, तेरी
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है।
क्या कर रहे हैं यार? Peters of Mumbai. Fucking ridiculous, bro. I can just feel my bike in the background. I can just feel it. Like you just know it's just there. It's just there somewhere. I can't see it right now. I can't look back. Oh, babe, fuck, you're beautiful, man. I love you. I still didn't understand how to leave the clutch on this bike. Huh? Oh, that was terrible, eh? This rider is still there with us, huh? Now I'm getting the hang of the gear. Yeah, that was much smoother. Say if it's an emergency, na, I'll not be able to brake that fast on this bike compared to that. No way. I'll probably get to if some dog runs in front. That one, you know, the bite is there, bro. How was it?
That was some good shit.
Huh?
It's easy to ride it. Like as long as you're riding it in a sail, man.
Yeah, na? Can we switch?
My palms are kind of hurting a little because I'm not used to
Yeah.
forward stance.
So what you have to do is you have to hold yourself with your back.
Like
Back and your
trying
thighs.
to keep my weight a little here, man.
Yeah.
Like, damn, it's so easy to ride it.
Fucking smooth, na?
I was scared at first. That's why I was like, can I? Like, you have open roads. So I'm like, okay.
Yeah, dude.
Lesser chance of, you know.
But how was it altogether?
Too good. Too good. Thank you.
I'll have some
You were to enjoy.
final moments of joy before I go home.
You were to enjoy that also.
Yeah, it was fun, dude. It was very vibey though, bro. Very vibey.
So, which is why I ride it more on the higher gear.
I'll do the same thing then.
Ah.
That's how I'm riding on 6. 6.5, 6.54, 6.54.
On the highway.
Yeah.
Now this feels so different.
Oh, I'm back home, bro. I'm back home.
Feeling so like, oh.
I'm back home now.
Damn, why is it like speed up like
Oh, I miss you, love. Well, the Bullet was fun until it wasn't fun. Oh, it's a nice bike.
Now I'm feeling sluggish.
He's saying this is responsive. That's usually an adios amigos, but let's go meet Neil.
I honestly also don't give the bike to anybody.
I found it very smooth when you're riding at 50, dude. 50.
60, fifth gear, but that's it.
6 gear. 60.
Oh, that.
This.
This doesn't have a sixth,
Then what was that, dude?
only fifth. You must have shifted, but it doesn't.
I was thinking it's 6, dude.
Are I'm telling you, I am on that, and I was at 60 or 70, I think. And
You don't come to know.
I was on 6th, and I'm trying to upshift. I'm like, why is it not upshift? Then I looked down. I'm like, oh shit, it's already on 6th. Then I rolled the throttle.
Still, there's so much power, na? It's surprising how on 6 gear so it doesn't fit in this, na?
Yeah, it doesn't stress at all.